Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to do the foundation single crochet stitch. What the foundation single crochet stitch is it combines your chain row and your first row all in one step. There are several reasons why this is preferred over just the traditional chaining. This is the traditional way to do it, where you chain and then you go back through and work your single crochets. See this curling on the end? That is very common, and sometimes it'll even curl down. Often it's hard to get consistent chains, and sometimes they're too tight, and that's where the curling comes in. This right here, I use the foundation single crochet stitch. See how stretchy it is? And you don't have the curling. To start out, you're going to make a slip knot. And you'll chain 2. And that's all the chaining that you have to do. So then you're going to go back to that very first chain. You're going to insert your hook, and you're going to be sure to go through this loop right here and this one right here. Let's go through both of those. Grab some yarn, pull through both of those. Whenever you're going through your stitches here, be sure to not just use the tip of your crochet hook. Go down the shank of it. That will help you from having your stitches too tight. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab some yarn, pull through the first loop here. That forms your chain stitch. And then grab some yarn and pull through those 2 loops there. And that's your single crochet. To find where to put your next stitch, turn your work and find the V there. That's your foundation stitch. Insert your hook through both of those loops. Grab some yarn, pull through those loops. Grab some yarn, pull through the first loop. Grab some yarn and pull through both of those loops. Turn your work. Find your V. Insert your hook. Grab some yarn, pull through. Grab some yarn, pull through the first loop. That's your foundation stitch. Grab some yarn, pull through both of those loops, and that's your single crochet. So here is your foundation stitch here, or your starting chain, and then here's your single crochet. And you can count your stitches here, 1, 2, 3. All right, find your next stitch right there. Insert your hook through both of those loops. Grab some yarn, pull through. Grab some yarn, pull through the first loop. Grab some yarn and pull through both of those loops. We'll do that a few more times. Find your V right there. Insert your hook. Grab some yarn, pull through. Grab some yarn, pull through the first one. Grab some yarn and pull through both of those loops. You see here, this is your starting chain here, and this is your first row of single crochets. Okay, so turn your work and find the V right there. Insert your hook. Grab yarn, pull up. Grab some yarn, pull through the first one. Grab some yarn and pull through the last 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So to go on to the next row, we'll chain 1 and then turn our work. And then we'll place a single crochet in that first stitch there, right there. Single crochet, single crochet in the next one, and we'll do one more just so you can see. Look how nicely that worked up. See how stretchy that is versus the traditional way? This traditional way is pretty stretchy because of the yarn that I'm using, but you still have the curl factor. See how these lay real nicely? For more information on this, you can find the link to my website in the comments below. Thank you for watching.